guys, welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So today we're going to show you how you can upgrade your 34-page passport to 50 pages. So in this video you'll have to log in into your eCitizen account, as we normally do every time, guys. You have to log in into a eCitizen account using your password and your username. Then you'll have to go to the immigration portal, new passport. Then from there, I am hoping, or I am guessing, that you had already applied for the 4550 34 pages passport and you want to upgrade it to your 50 B series passport, which costs 6,050. And if you are to do a quick math of 6,050, 6050 minus 4550, you have a deficit of 1,550. So that is what you're supposed to pay in the above. You're supposed to pay in the system, so that you can be able to upgrade your application from 4550, the 34 series A series passport, to 50 B series passport. So as you can see from here, I'm just going to edit the passport page count, which is 50 pages, which the one I want as currently. This is being prompted mostly because in the immigration offices currently there is a shortage of the 4550 or the 34 series page passport. So if you want maybe your passport to be rushed, or to get your passport in a haste, the booklets that are available currently as we speak is the one for 6050, which is the 50 pages passport. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So from there you just have to go on. You are not going to edit any other details inside your application. Everything is okay. You have to just go on sending next. Then from there you just go and complete your application. Then it will prompt you to pay only, I'm insisting, it will prompt you to pay 1,550, which is an addition to the 4550 that you had paid earlier. So then from there, now your application will be eligible to go and be given the 50-page passport. Thank you guys for watching.